grew a whole lot, a whole ton. Washed it, deep conditioned it, fell asleep with the conditioner in my hair. Wait, okay. Fell asleep with the conditioner in my hair, and I just love my hair. Love my natural hair. Like, it's a ton now. It's a ton. It's all wrapped up back there. But I'm going to the store to go get braids now to put it back in braids because don't nobody got time. I had my hair in braid since March, early March, and I just took it out. So I'm going to put it back in braids because that's just the best way for my hair. And, huh? A house? Okay, I'll buy you a house. So, I'm going to the store right now to go get braids to braid my hair. And I'm not going to do any projects today.
You want hot fries?
Hot fries if I go to that store. So, that's what I'm getting ready to go do. Turn that light off over there. And then I'm going to go to, I think I'm going to hit up TJ Maxx and Target to see if I can find a console table. So, let's go, guys. Huh? So, we're doing water play outside. We're going to do musical chair in the water. And I got water balloons. I have water balloons later. I blew this up all by myself. Okay, you guys ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go sit.
I don't think that thing's aiming for us.
Can you guys hear the music?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So, just hanging out for the day. Kids had water play earlier and waiting on the husband to get home. It's almost 5 o'clock and I'm still hanging outside. It's so freaking nice out. It's like 80 something, but it's not hot. It's like really, the wind is blowing, so it makes it really nice. My phone's dying, so I'm gonna go charge that and then probably go get started on dinner.
Huh?
So I'm gonna go charge my phone and figure out dinner. Maddie, you tired? No. Guys, you know what? I didn't end up cooking at all. I took the kids and I got fast food for them. I got Rob Chipotle. He's home. I'm tired. So, anyways, I want you guys to drop down in the comment section stuff that I can do with the kids this summer at home. Because I'm out of ideas and this is the second week out of school. So, comment down below what are some stuff that you're doing with your kids this summer. Did you have fun today? You did? Jack, did you have fun? Did you have fun? Jason, did you have fun today?
Tell men everything. Do you want the dishes to not go in the
Yes.
sink? You have to tell them.
Jordan, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So, I didn't show you guys what I got from TJ Maxx. So, I got this diffuser for $10. And then I have a thing that says, "Hi, Daddy." Things and then stuff. And then I got from the beauty supply store, I got hair to do my hair. So I love using the Jamaican twist braids to braid my hair. And I was gonna braid my hair today, but I'm just gonna let my scalp breathe for a little bit, and then I probably wake up early tomorrow morning and knock it out so that I can be done with my hair. What's up? You're so sweet. So sweet. Hi, Madison. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so I had to get away from the toddler, and evidently the toddler found me. So someone was asking a question in regards to my title, that how I titled my videos in terms of raising autistic. And the reason why the reason why I put that in my title is one, I do not put my children on camera like you see other family vloggers do, where it's all about their kids and you see their kids, their everyday routine and all of that. I don't do that. I personally don't do that. You will see them in passing, and that's about it. But for me, this channel is mainly an outlet for me to interact with adults, but it's not about my children. You will never see me or a typical vlog where it's all about my children. You'll never see that because I don't put my children on camera like that. It's very rare. And the reason why I titled my video is not for clickbait, because trust me, that's not, evidently that's not working. But the main reason why I put my title the way I do is because I want others that come across my channel to know that, hey, I am a mom with an autistic child, and I don't know all the answers. I'm still learning as I go. But if you have questions or concern, or you just need to vent, or you just need to talk to someone who understands, our situation could be totally different, but just the mere fact that we have that in common, you can feel at peace and you can come and you can talk to me. My email address is always open to any of you guys that are going through the struggle of raising a child with any kind of disability. So that is why I put the title that way, because I want anyone that come across my video or my channel to know that, hey, I am a mom with an autistic child. I will never hide the fact that my son is autistic. I will never try to deny that my child is autistic. I will not do that. What I will not do is showcase him for the world to see as if he's some kind of clown. No, I don't do that. But if you have questions or concern, feel free to come at me and ask me any question that you want. So I hope that clarifies that, okay? And I will continue to do that. Madison, don't do that. I will continue to title my videos the way in which I do it, because that's just how I want. That's just how I want my channel to be. I hope that clears that up. And I don't mean to sound harsh, and I'm not offended that question came up. I'm not offended. I'm glad, because I'm able to explain it. So I hope that answers your question. And I'm sorry if I seem like I am a bit harsh, but I'm not. Trust me, this is just the way that I am. I'm sorry. And I hope I do not offend anyone. And if I do offend any of you, my viewers, please let me know in the comment section, and I will personally apologize. Because my personality can be very strong. I know that. Trust me. All my neighbors around here hate me for no reason. They've never had a conversation with me, but they don't like me. Because I came up in here too strong. And I will never apologize for that, because I am who I am. You know what I mean? So feel free, if you're going through the struggle or any kind of struggle whatsoever, I understand. Okay? So let's go talking in the comment section. I need to get comfortable. Don't you just hate when kids look always? Ow! This little section right now has become my throw all stuff. These are all my new clothes that I have to put away. But took my wig off because I was gonna wear it, but it's too hot. Why are you touching? Stop touching. Stop touching. Give me my stuff. Don't let me chase you. Give it to me. No, no. Go on.
No.
Go.
No.
So I have to organize my clothes. I just need our shorts because I like comfort. I like comfort in the evening, and you guys can watch her while I put my on. You need to go take a bath. You want to go get a bath? Yes? You want to go pick out your PJs?
Yeah.
All right, let's go pick out your PJs. That's your PJs?
Yeah.
Hey, hang on. Why is your room like this? Why is clothes on your floor, Madison? Come on. All the stuff fell out of your drawer.
No.
Yes. Come on.
No.
Look, you stepped right out of this whole outfit right here. Pick it up, please.
No.
Madison, pick it up, please. You want pop out? You want pop out? I'm gonna give you pop out. It's kind of chilly, so I think I'm gonna put it in.
No.
I'm gonna just do a mismatch PJs.
No,
'Cause
this is me.
that will match you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Me.
okay. Where are your summer PJs? Oh, here they are. Want to put? Okay, let's do that one.
No, this one.
I don't want that one. I don't know what that is. Okay, clean up your clothes off the floor. Give that to me. Let me see what it is. Clean up your clothes. I'm not arguing with a 3-year-old. That's dirty. You had that on today. That goes to the laundry room. You want to wear this? I don't even know. This is winter. You can't wear this. It's too high. Go put that in the laundry room.
Mommy.
You little sassy butt.
No.
Your toddler talks back to you? Because mine does. Come on. Come on. Put your shoe in your closet. You're going to clean up your mess. Not like that. No, that's not very nice. Pick it up. And stop showing off. Because I will put this thing down and pop out your butt.
No.
Okay. Get your clothes. There's more.
Yeah.
What's that over there? Behind you. Behind you. Right there. Okay. Take it to the laundry room.
Okay.
You can't take these in the bathtub.
Huh?
You can't take those in the bathtub. Okay, so I'm gonna let her relax in that tub for like 5 minutes before I kick her out because I got the worst headache ever under the sun. I feel like this is gonna be an early day because I just don't feel, I've been having a headache all day long and I don't know what it is, and I don't take medicine for pain. I hate taking medicine for pain, so I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that my mom is sick, and I haven't told you guys that. My mom is sick, like really, really sick. She went into surgery today for to drain her body of fluids. Her kidneys are failing, or is failed, or failed, whatever. Basically, she's gonna be on dialysis, and she also has dementia. So it's been hectic, and then my husband's parents are not doing great either. So yeah, that's just been a lot of stress, and I think that's why I have a headache right now. But everything will be okay because yeah, everything will be okay. But this little one right here, pretty girl. Her hair is so long. So long. She has the cutest curl pattern ever. Okay, so she's out of the bath. She's out of the bathtub. Her hair is wet, and I'm just gonna let her hair dry. Air dry. Silly goose. I'm just gonna let her hair dry, and she's ready for the night. I usually don't show my evening routine with these kiddos. I don't know why. I just don't. It's just such a routine for me that it's just like I feel like it's boring. But that's the routine with this little one because she's the youngest. She's the only one that I have to give bath. Everybody else knows that they have to take a bath. Oh my gosh, shut it. Sometimes I do have to remind the older ones that they do have to take showers. But other than that, sometimes they're on top of it and they have the schedule down packed. But sometimes I do have to remind, especially my autistic son. Stop. Sometimes he has to be reminded, and sometimes I have to go in the bathroom and actually physically wash his hair or make sure that, you know, he's bathing himself correctly. But this is our routine. I'm gonna go get her some popcorn because she's been asking. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I see the comments, and I will respond to you guys when I get a quick second. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Say bye.